Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have Wish, Wonderful Wednesday. You wish for songs, I bring them up here for you. So this is your day. This time we have you, Anthem 3. You wished for Citizen Soldiers Still Frame. Alright, so we love Citizen Soldier. Many fans out there as well, I am aware of that. So we're gonna take a look at their song called Still Frame, and we're gonna do that with capo here on the 2nd fret. All right, so we have this melody going on in the verse play, and then just straight strumming in the chords, and that's it pretty much. So let's take a look at the chords. I'm gonna skip the grips and chords for the verse play. Of course, there are chords that backs up here, but we're gonna just look at that later. We have some chords in the pre-chorus and chorus, so we're gonna take a look at them. So starting with the chord here for the pre-chorus, it's only one, the C major 7. Sounds like that. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, then we have the original C. What you do there from the C major 7, you just add the 1st fret on the B string. And everything else is the same, so that gives us standard C, which is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, and the difference comes on 1st B and open E. Then we have E minor as well. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord is D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so there we have the chords, but we're also gonna take a look at the verse play now with the grips and so on. So let's take a look at that to begin with. We have this melody that goes in 2 different ways, so to speak. We have one main part and then different endings, 2 different endings. So what I suggest you to do is to glue your ring finger here to the 3rd fret B string, this note, okay? Because that will help you a lot. That's how I handle this melody and the verse play. So I stay with that throughout the verse. And the main part, which we're gonna start with, goes in the same time, and it doesn't matter which round we're playing. It goes like this, and it goes with 3 different grips. It goes okay. So you're gonna start with open A, then you hammer on to get the 2nd A, then open G, and 3rd B. So this 3rd B will stick with us throughout the verse play. So open A, then 2nd A, open G, 3rd B. From this grip, you go 2nd A, and now you hammer on the 3rd A, then open G, and 3rd B. And from this next grip, you play 3rd on A, open D, open G, and 3rd B. So these are the 3 first moves or grips, and they are the main parts here. You're gonna play them no matter which ending you're gonna play. You have this as a start. So that is a start. And now comes 2 different endings. We're gonna go with the first one. It goes like this. That's simply 2 rounds of the same pattern. So you're gonna go with 3rd on E string, then open D, open G, 3rd B, open G, open D, and open G. And notice I'm playing the 3rd E string here, the notes, and a short pause. So 2 rounds of that. All right, so that is the first end, and then you can go back and play the main part again. And And then you come to the second ending here. I still want to stick this third B string with my ring finger, and then I just do a little bit, perhaps awkward position here for your fingers, but I add my little pinky there to the 4th fret D string. So if you can do that, that's perfectly fine. Then you don't have to remove your ring finger at all through this verse play. If that's too hard for you, this is the grip, all right? So 3rd fret on B string and 4th on D. And when you have that grip, you're gonna play this part. Oh, sorry, bad sounding there. So again. Oh, now perhaps better. I think I have too long nails there, actually. That's a problem. Anyway, you're gonna play open A, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, open G, 4th D, and open G. You play that for 2 rounds, so. And that's the second ending, all right? So that is the second ending, and you're gonna play this for 2 rounds. So you have to just stick with the 3rd B string and then move everything else around it. If you think this grip is too hard, then of course you have to use other fingers or so, but then you need to find your way back to this position. That's what I believe is the best scenario. So if you can try and really practice to get this grip, a little bit awkward, I understand, but yeah, it's not that difficult. So that is the verse play. And then we have the pre-chorus. I mentioned the chord for that. It was the C major 7. And what you do there, right after this melody, you just play 1 down on that chord and leave that with a pause. So and that builds up for the chorus that comes now. So that is the pre-chorus. The chorus goes E minor, C, G, and D. And we have a string pattern to learn for that. So let's grab the E minor. 1 string around sounds like this. It's a pretty common one. So you're gonna play down, 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 up. You can stop there. That's pretty much the first half of it. So down, and then a short pause, and then down, down, up. And then comes up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. So you're going to start with down, 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 up, then up, down, 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 up. You're going to play 1 of these string rounds per chord, and you're going to do that for 2 string rounds. So second round. When you come to the last D here in the second round, you're going to play 1 full string round of this, plus 1 extra down and a pause. And that pause builds up for the next round, which is the verse. So the D will be pause there, and then comes and that is how you do this song here. You have the verses, they are the same for 2 rounds, the pre-chorus the same, just 1 down, and the choruses also the same. You're gonna play 2 choruses in the final end there, and you're gonna play them right after each other. So it actually will be the last chorus part, if you wish. It will be twice as long as the first one. So 4 rounds of that, and that ends Citizen Soldiers Still Frame. So I hope you enjoyed it. Nathan 3, you are the one who wished for this song, and yeah, this is special for you and all you CS fans. Thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.